Hi there, this is Gaurav, co-founder of Grove. In this video, I'm going to inspire you about the possibility of document automation with Grove and how you can save countless hours in your business by automating your invoices, codes, proposals, contracts, employee documents, and many other stuff. So let's dive right into the Grove and see how to make it happen.
I'm going to show you all the popular ways in which you can use Grove. So let's get started and assume that you have an employee named Gaurav who has to fill some details in the agreement and also sign that agreement. And you want to receive the final filled and signed agreement. I have uploaded a simple agreement to Grove in which I will be creating all the fields which are currently presented as dash. So let's start creating fields and then we will drag them over to our document. Once we have created all the fields, we will simply drag them over to the document like this. Once we have dragged and dropped all the fields which has to be filled by our employee, we will click save and then we will click on share. We make it publicly fillable and then we have an option to allow our employee to download the generated PDF document or not. So in this case, I am going to allow my employee to download the generated PDF document. So let's share the link and I will open it in a private window so as to show you what is the kind of experience employee will be getting. They will be mentioning their date of agreement, then they will be mentioning their name, in this case Gaurav, the location, and then they will be making their signatures. And then when they submit, you will be getting an email with all the details. Ta-da! And this PDF has been generated and it has been signed and delivered to your email as well. The second most popular use case of Grove is connecting Grove templates with other applications. Here I'm going to show you some integrations which you can use to connect Grove with other templates or other applications. We are demonstrating sample training certificate which I have created already, and here I am using logical conditions, our default signature, and some variables and an image and a heading. Since my template is already ready, I am going to connect it to my landing page using Zapier. It's very easy. You go to the zapier.com, search for webhooks, which will be fired whenever there is a form submission on your landing page, and then here you search for Grove so that you can integrate your webhooks from the landing page to the Grove app to generate documents. So that is it. It is very simple to use our other integrations as well, which I showed you here. I would like to show you the third use case, which is also very popular. It is designing fancy proposals. So let's have a look. I designed this proposal and it's very easy to design in Grove. I have used background images, headings, and divisions. Divisions are block of text which are draggable. And you can create your own division by clicking this icon from here. Another thing, we have variables, we have a signature field down here, and we have all the background images which I designed using Canva. So this is one background image. This is another background image. Now my use case is whenever a deal is updated in my Salesforce or HubSpot or any other CRM account, it should generate a proposal for me. Or I can also go to this preview window, fill out a form which Grove has automatically generated for me, put out the proposal date, put out the client name, make a signature, or send it out for signature using the share option, as you all know now, or connect it with your CRM, as I showed in the integrations video before this. I am going to show you a simple document which I have already generated, which looks like this. Isn't it great? So I hope you like this use case as well.
I'm sure after watching this video of mine, you have got an idea on what is document automation and how you will be able to automate various types of documents in your business using Grove. You can share your ideas on use cases in our Facebook community by searching Grove app on Facebook. And I would like to answer all your questions and help you personally in any document automation need with Grove if you reach out to us on our support chat. You can learn more about how to use Grove on help.grove.app and see you there. Thank you very much. That's it. Thank you very much.